We made the history. So Apache Kylin is first top-level project of Apache Software Foundation from China. My name is Luke. I'm a co-founder and CEO from Kyligence, and also the Apache Kylin creator. We initiated this open source project when we worked for eBay Developer Center in China. 1 year later, we bring it to the open source community, to the Apache Software Foundation. So this project is actually original from China. So Kyligence is actually to offer a big data analytics solution for our customer based on the open source Apache Kylin project. And the Apache Kylin project is, we call it the OLAP for big data, help our customer to analyze massive data in like a second performance very quickly and to serving a lot of people. And this is, the open source is very good, but most of our commercial customer, they looking for like some, we call it enterprise features, for example, like security, like HR and more like advanced feature. So we pack up some different solution and to offer an enterprise version, and today also we have a cloud native version on the public cloud to our customer, and to help them to reduce their cost over analytics platform, and also to improve the efficiency for their time to insight. We have more than 1,500 open source adoptions all over the world, including eBay, Yahoo Japan, Webex, Apple, Microsoft, a lot of them. So I'm happy to meet the different people of the world. Open source is fantastic to attract the investors. So they love open source very much, and in this era, a lot of investors, they are like to invest the open source and the commercial business model. Open source is good also for the business. So open source itself is free, so you can try using that. So if you just keep one technology inside just your organization, it will be very limited. But if you open source it, and actually that project will grow very fast, and everybody can contribute to this open source project, it can find a very great solution. And today, from China, there are a lot of great open source projects already, including Apache Kylin. Yeah. Beginning, our dream is to build a global company. So today I'm very proud to say we done a little bit a milestone. So we do investment in the United States about 3 or 4 years ago, and last year our business in the US is very great. So we have won several great customers, including Microsoft, including UBS. So this is very hard for a tech company from China to step into the United States market. And this is because of open source. For example, UBS, they know us is because of open source, and they contact us and ask a lot of questions about their challenges. And we take years to win the trust. And now they are happy for our product, and we are also bringing a lot of effort to support them. Yeah. If you decided to do open source, if you decided to build the open source community, so you have to know it is a long journey. So it's very important for you to take care about the open source users. If you just open source it and you never answer the questions from your open source users, they will leave you, right? Even if your open source project is very early stage, just a lot of bugs, even with a lot of bugs, right? But you just try to answer questions, help them to conquer such challenges, they will love you. Community over code. So it is you, it is not your code to build this community. Yes, thank you very much, and really a pleasure to be here to a great conversation. Thank you.